There are many products available to choose dielectric grease, each with different characteristics, benefits and prices. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the best dielectric grease from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. After extensive investigation, I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you're curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. Number 1. Permatex 22058 Dielectric Tune-Up Grease 3 ounces. Tube. You won't know what excellent grease is until you've checked out the product we are reviewing. Protects electrical connections and wiring from salt, dirt, and corrosion. Prevents voltage leaks around any electrical connection. Extends the life of bulb sockets required for modern high-energy ignition systems. It has all the features you want, from the impressive level of resistance against different materials to versatility. This product is full of wonders. Number 2. Dielectric Grease Silicone Paste Waterproof Marine Grease. We found the product to be incredibly resistant to dirt and water, so it's needless to say how amazingly corrosion resistant it is. Now, the best thing about it is the ability it shows to remain in its natural form when extreme heat is applied. Our dielectric grease is a thick, long-lasting waterproof synthetic silicone lubricant. Lube that prevents oxidation, inhibits corrosion, and seals out contaminants such as salt and dirt. Non-melting, stable consistency from -55 to 570 F. Silicone paste. Silicone grease is perfect for a variety of automotive, electrical, and marine uses, and compatible with a variety of materials, including metal, rubber, and plastic. Prevents voltage leaks around electrical connections. Number 3. Permatex 81150 Dielectric Tune-Up Grease 0.33 ounces Tube. The grease will serve the purpose perfectly for both home and job site applications. Protects electrical connections and wiring from salt, dirt, and corrosion. Prevents voltage leaks around any electrical connection. Extends the life of bulb sockets required for modern high-energy ignition systems. Also prevents spark plugs from fusing to boots required for modern high-energy ignition systems. Number 4. CRC Technician Grade Dielectric Grease 3.3 Oz. This dielectric compound and caliper grease are an easy-to-use, high-performance silicone brake caliper grease that provides the highest level of corrosion protection for your vehicle's braking system. With one tube, you're good to go for slide pins. The thick and sticky grease is perfect for any type of electrical connection, as it won't evaporate in the heat or freeze at colder temperatures, meaning that this stuff will work no matter what time of year. It's also suitable for slide pins on metal contraptions with rubber grips, such as brakes, and even spark plug cables, so they don't corrode over time. Number 5. Genuine Ford Fluid XG3 A Silicone Brake Caliper Grease and Dielectric Compound 3 ounces. This silicone dielectric compound offers superior electrical insulation properties and resists water washout, as it is compatible with EPDM rubber, which makes it a great choice all year round. Lubricates disc brake caliper slide pins. High resistance to water and heat. Provides high voltage seal to secondary ignition wires. Suppresses voltage leaks by coating inner distributor cap surface. Compatible with EPDM rubber.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below.